Tired of manually entering contact information and letting valuable leads slip through the cracks? Let's automate that tedious task and unlock the power of seamless contact management by creating a Zap that automatically adds new contacts to HubSpot from various triggers within Zapier. First, click on the Create Zap button. Now, choose your trigger app. This is where your new contact information will come from. Let's say someone fills out a Google form. Search for Google Forms and select it. Select the new form response trigger. This means every time someone submits a form, this Zap will connect your Google Forms account if you haven't already. Next, choose the specific form you want to monitor for new submissions. Alright, time to tell Zapier what to do with that information. Search for HubSpot and select it as your action app. Choose the Create Contact action. This tells Zapier to create a new contact record in your HubSpot account. Again, connect your HubSpot account if you haven't already. Now, the crucial part, mapping your form fields to the corresponding HubSpot contact properties. Match the email field from your form to the email field in HubSpot, first name to first name, and so on. Map as many fields as possible to ensure all valuable information is captured. Once you've mapped all your fields, click Continue and test your Zap. If everything looks good, give your Zap a descriptive name and toggle it on. And there you have it. Now, whenever someone fills out your Google form, a new contact will automatically be created in HubSpot, streamlining your lead nurturing and boosting your marketing efficiency. Be sure to explore other Zapier triggers to automate even more of your HubSpot workflows.